In this video, I want to demonstrate how we rename improper fractions and mixed numbers. Now, there are a couple different strategies to use, but specifically right now, we're going to focus on doing this with models, creating models to demonstrate this visually. So, let's say I start first with an improper fraction that I need to make into a mixed number with a whole number and my fraction. 15/4. If I start with 15/4, first of all, I know it's an improper fraction because my numerator of 15 is larger than my denominator of 4. So to represent and find what the mixed number is by using models, first thing I want to pay attention to, I know my denominator is 4. Therefore, I need to create a shape that is divided into 4 sections. I got that from my denominator of 4. So, I'm going to create a circle with 4 sections. Okay? I need to shade in 15 1/4 pieces. I need to think, how many times can this 4 go into 15? Right here, I've shaded in 4 pieces. I'm going to write 4 so it's easier for me to keep up with. If I do another with 4 pieces, now I've shaded in 8. I'm at 8, I need to get to 15, I got to keep going. Do another, 4 pieces, 8 plus 4, now I'm at 12. How many more do I need? Well, my numerator is 15, I need 15 1/4 pieces. Here, I'm at 12, so I only have 3 more to go. So I need to create 1 more, but I'm not going to shade in all. Now I just need to shade in 3. So that is a model representing the improper fraction of 15/4, but that's not what it's asking for. I need to represent it as a whole number with a fraction. I need the mixed number. So I'm going to count the holes that I have. I have 1 hole here, 2 hole here, 3 hole here. So I have 3, and my fraction here is 3/4. 3 and 3/4. So this is how I use models when I'm starting with my improper and ending with my mixed. So let's look at what it would be if I go the other way and I start with mixed number and I want to end with an improper. I want to change and rename it as an improper fraction. So if I have 2 and 1/2, right here, my denominator again tells me my model is going to be divided into 2 sections. Well, 2 sections. My whole number of 2 is telling me that I have 2 holes. So, 1 hole, 2 holes. Then what I have left is the fraction of 1/2. So do 1 more and shade in 1/2. Now, this represents 2 and 1/2 as the mixed number, but I want to rename it as the improper. So I want to know how many 1/2 pieces I have. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have 5 half pieces, 5 1/2 pieces. This is how I would rename using models to go from my mixed to my improper.